In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Business Profile phone number. This is a neat little guide that's easy to follow and should take you no more than 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First up, it's essential that you're able to access your Google Business Profile. To do this, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Make sure it's the account associated with the business you're looking to update. Once you're signed in, navigate to your business profile. You might have multiple businesses listed, so pick the one you're looking to update. Now that you've selected your business, it's time to make some edits. Locate and click on the Edit Profile button. This will take you to a section where you can make a variety of changes to your business details. We're here for the phone number today, so let's keep our focus on that. Within the Edit section, you should see an option to edit your phone number. This might be currently showing your existing number, or if you've never added one, it could prompt you to add a new phone number. Go ahead and click on this option. Here's where you can either update your current number, or if you're adding a new one for the first time, input the new phone number. If for any reason you need or want to add an additional phone number, there's an option for that as well. Just look for the Add Phone Number button. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that might want to list both a landline and a mobile number, or perhaps different numbers for different departments or locations. Once you've got your phone number inputted or updated, all that's left to do is save your changes. Look for the Save button and give it a click. A couple of quick tips before I wrap up this tutorial. Always double check the accuracy of the phone number you enter. It's easy to mistype and not realize until you've saved the changes. Having the correct contact information is crucial for your customers to reach you. Additionally, updating your Google Business Profile doesn't just help customers get in touch, it also enhances your business's credibility online. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your phone number on your Google Business Profile. This small but significant update ensures your business information is accurate and up to date, which is essential for maintaining open lines of communication with your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.